Before we wrap these guys up, I thought let's take a sneak peek in DC. I put on a couple jumpers so we can run them in DC. Let's check them out. Very nice. Excellent sound. Okay. Now, I got couplers on. So let's see if we can pull Pug's train. Remember Pug's huge, heavy scrapping train down there? Let's see if we can get him. Okay. Should have him. Couplers are graphite coated, so they couple up super nice. Nope, he cannot pull it. That being said, what if we went ahead and put on the other one? So now we'll have two on there. I think I can get him down there. We'll get him down there, get him hook on. Okay, now can we bring him back? Oh, they crossed the boundary. Let's grab them. Okay. Gotta get them within the limits, yard limits here. Look at this. The two of them together can pull Pug's train. Pretty handily also. Let's back them up a little bit. That's good sign right there. To pull this train, you can't do it with just one switcher like this, but with two, you got some power. Now, can we go slow? How slow can we go? Can we go that slow pulling Pug's train? Now that is some good power right there. That is some power to be able to do this. Can they push it? Indeed they can. Together, they can do some heavy-duty lifting. That's pretty good. Excellent performance. All right, we're going to go into final details here in a little while and drop in the decoders. Then we'll probably take them down to the yard. Maybe we'll hook them up with Mr. Helper and see what we got then.